Hey guys, so may nag-order yung friend ko si Erica. So tara, 50 pesos lang daw kasi yun lang yung pera niya. Tara na. Is, ito lang kasi hindi kita. Kita na yan. Kita na. First is, I'm gonna give her, I'm gonna give her, what should I give? This one. Itong rings yan. Itong rings na to. Diba? And next is, so I'm gonna surprise her guys. Ito, labushi. Labushi to guys. So yan, marami akong stock nito guys ha. Kasi lychee blueberry ang pangalan niya. Ang brand niya is labushi at yung pangalan niya is lychee blueberry. And next is lip balm. Sticker. Dalawa. Ulitin natin. This Kuromi. Lalagyan nito. Ay ko lalagyan. And this one. Ito lang. And yun lang. Then, bye-bye!